Yo, what up, guys? Back at it once again. Today we're working on a GMC Sierra Denali 5th gen. Not exactly sure what year it is. I think it's like 17. And we'll be doing a level 1 kit with the Magnaride relocation kit and all that good stuff, and upper control arms. And shouldn't be too bad. Should be easy. Hopefully. I've never done a Magnaride, but I don't think there's much to it. We're gonna do the bottom leveling on the front shocks, and top leveling is what the rough country kit came for, the leveling kit. And we're doing blocks in the rear, and we're also doing a KSP upper control arms. So shouldn't be too bad. Let me show you what we're working with. There she is. She's a beaut. Probably looks level, but it's just my driveway kind of has a dip, so it's not level. But let me show you what we got right here. There you guys have it. You can see what we got going on today. We got the, like I was saying, everything. Showed you guys on those clips, and then I'm explaining a little bit to you guys what we got. So these go above the shock. There's like a little spacer it gives it, and then these go under the shock and give it that extra oomph. We got the hardware, the little brackets for the Magnaride, sensors in the rear. We got our blocks, a little bit of angle. You can probably barely see it, but this side's a little shorter. This side goes towards the front of the vehicle. And then we got our new U-bolts for the leaf springs. So that's nice with our new hardware. We got stickers, all the good stuff. And we got our control arms. There's only one, the other one's still in the box. I ain't got enough space up here. Since they're 17, so they're stamped steel, they need this little conical spacer bushing. And it literally just goes in there. That way the ball joint grabs nice and neat. And we got the hardware for it. These go in here. I gotta build it. They come with the bushings, and you just literally push them in with a little bit of grease. And that should be it. So let's get to it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and should be a breeze, honestly. Let me pull the truck in a little bit and then get you guys set up. There you guys have it. That's the front side down, at least on the passenger side. I don't know exactly where it cut off. I had it on a time lapse and it finally peeped over because it took quite a bit. It had an old level 1 kit, but I don't know what kind of kit it was. It didn't have a name on it or anything, so it didn't look like it was on there the right way. So we got her on there good. Upper and lower spacers, and then the control arms, and that's how she looks. So we'll be doing the driver's side, and then we'll probably cut into the back a little bit. It's pretty simple, shouldn't be too much, so I'll go back with you guys. Alright guys, got the front knocked out. Gonna be working on the rear now. Should be quite simple. All I gotta do is take off these 4 bolts on the leaf spring holder bracket and take off the old block and just put the new ones in. So all done, man. I was kind of slacking off, honestly. I wasn't in a hurry, but she's all done. She actually looks quite a bit taller, unless it's just me thinking that, you know, trying to make myself believe that. But it looks good, man. I'll probably throw you guys on some clips of it, and then we're gonna call it a day. So no yapping today, man. Just a lot of working actually, since we had a task to do and we had everything there. So it wasn't too bad. Pretty simple. A little bit of heavy work, but luckily I got power tools. Thank God. If not, that would be a pain in the ass. But appreciate it, man. Tagging along, you know. We'll see what we do next. Had a pretty busy weekend. Did the remote start. That should be uploaded by now, and then did this. So appreciate it, guys. Peace.